My name is Zhao Minghui and I will do the simulation for the task for hydraulic clamp. So we need to meet the requirement of the task 4. So we have used the double acting cylinder and the flow control valve we have switched it to 50%. So when we extend the cylinder, it will be moved slowly. And the push button we have set it into the all conditional. And also this double acting cylinder is in the retract point when this is the initial position. So other than that, we need to hold the cylinder when it is being extended. We need to hold it for 3 minutes. So after that, after the 3 minutes, the cylinder will be retract back. Let's see for the simulation. So when it reach to the A1 position, the A1 for this switching will be from normally open to normally closed. Therefore, it energizes the time delay. And both of these total is 3 minutes. After this switch will be triggered. The time delay contact will from normally open to normally closed. And the 80 second is after the 80 second, the T4 for this switching time delay contact normally closed will become normally open. Therefore, the Y1 will not receive any power supply, and therefore the cylinder will become retract by the and return by the spring. So this is the end of the simulation. Task 4 is completed. And thank you for watching this simulation.